All right, let's look at section 2.1. Right, let's talk about equations in two variables, especially graphing it. All right, since we don't have a lot of tools to sketch the graph, let's try to do a point-by-point plotting, which is somewhat primitive, but it works quite well. All right, so first thing we do is, here's an example. We want to sketch the graph of the equation x equals 1 minus x y squared. All right, so first thing we do is we're going to make a table of solutions. All right, so we're going to just, let's see, x is isolated, so I'm going to just try some y values that are close to 0, so that we don't have to deal with big numbers. So let's try, say, I'm going to just try -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Right? You can try more values, that way you have more points, but I'll start with 5, go with 5. Alright, so when y value is -2, so just plug it in here. So 1 minus -2 squared, so it's going to be 1 minus 4. So x value is -3. When x is -1, 1 minus -1 squared would be 1 minus 1, which is going to be 0. Right? And y is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Right? 1. 1 minus 1 squared is 0. Right? And then 2. 1 minus 2 squared is -3. Right? So we have at least 5 points to plot. So let's go ahead and plot it. Right? So first one is -3, -2. Right? So you go to -3, which is right here. Right? Then -2. So -2 right here. So we're going to place a dot where x value is -3, y value is -2, which is right here. Right? Place a dot there. Right? Second one is 0, -1. Right? So which means that the x value is 0. Right? But y value is -1, so it's going to be 0 and -1, so it's going to go through this point right here. All right, so this is -1 right here. Let's see, -1 right here. All right, third point is 1, 0, so x value is 1, so right here, and y is 0 there. And the fourth point is 0, 1, so x value is 0, and y value is +1, so it's right here. Right? And the last point is x value is -3, y value is +2. So 2 is right here, so you're going to extend it. So -3, +2. So this is going to be the point. All right? Then what we do is connect these 5 points using a nice and smooth curve. So you have a curve which looks kind of like this. Oop, I missed it. Maybe I'll do it again. All right, so I'm gonna go here, here, and go here, and go somewhat like that. All right, so that's how you sketch a graph of a function, graph of a equation using point-by-point plotting method. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.